Adventure, a trip to Spain with the friends you have. Adventure, skydiving at Sevier, underwater diving at Costa Brava, running of the bulls at Pamplona. Same what Arjun, Kabir and Imran did in the movie. Finally, the adventure meets an experience and real world experience of the movie called Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. If this definition you have between your ears, yet cut off anymore and pay attention for the next moments while looking at my decoded version of adventure in itself. Our materialistic body plus our mind up here should be in alignment, should be in motion. Motion means that we are operating ourselves at active state. Active state leads us to have a certain sense of awareness. Awareness makes our levels of being more and more conscious, which I call conscious awareness. The better chances we have to operate at action mode, the more we consciously aware at levels and at surroundings. In this, I want you to come forth and pick up any desire that you have right now at this moment in your heart. Just pick up. Maybe of childhood, maybe during your schooling, maybe at the moment when you stepped into your graduation. Just pick up. Good. Now you have that desire. Now turn it into the burning desire by putting it over the vision board and start desperation more and more. Feel how would you see to make that happen in reality, in practicality. Most basic yet powerful concept indeed. It is the foundation that covers the every dimension of human being. And to the best of my knowledge, the problem with most of the people is, including us, as we are proceeding into the tangled web of human ideologies, into the culture, we often tend to underestimate the power of the virtues in itself from which we were meant and start letting down ourselves regularly in terms of honesty, in terms of integrity, in terms of sometimes even ethics. Yeah, this is the sad but brutal truth indeed. Do not let down yourself anymore. Just mark it in which aspect you are lagging. Start working on it. Now, this one is the personal favorite to me from the bucket list. Each day I explore some new insights, something that I have not stumbled upon before to elevate my levels of identity. Because as per I understand, the human mind and technology both are upgrading. We have to show up in the world in the best possible ways. So, I firmly believe that explore is directly proportional to grow. The more you explore, the better chances you have to grow. Now, that's originated from the study of vast majority of people out there. Okay, now you need to answer this question with full of honesty. Are you really paying attention that after completing this clip, you are going to do this or you are going to do that? Is this so or is that so? If this chronic thought you might be facing means you are not in now. Because the problem with most of the people is we often tend to underestimate the power of being into the present. Rather, unnecessarily we procrastinate either on future or on past. And the answer is the trash up here. Have a look over this clip.
The trash is anything that is keeping you from the only thing that matters. This moment. Here. Now. And when you truly are in the here and now, you'll be amazed at what you can do.
Definitely. You will be amazed what you can do and how well you can do. Did I just imitate Socrates? And here comes the next personal favorite to me from the bucket list. Because whatever I am doing right now, facing the lens, sharing my wisdom, is pretty unexpected in my neighborhood, to my family, to my friends, and even sometimes to me. But why I am doing? Because with that unexpected stuff I am dabbling with, it fills up me to a new life pack of adventure. So I am doing it to the best I can. Every single day when we wake up, we have a choice. We can get a tiny bit better or tiny bit worse. But why worse if we can get a tiny bit better? But the problem with our education system is the way we have been remaking ourselves since childhood while adopting the new stuff's ideas from the outside world is pretty outdated. And that's why our graph have been growing like this. A very less percentage of remaking, a kind of stagnant, cut it off anymore. Add-on is start doing introspection. Whatever idea you are adapting, do introspect, and there you will see the high percentage of graph of remaking. And yes, in the process of remaking, in the process of adapting these acronyms from up to down, challenges would become, and sometimes chances of error would be at peak. It's like you are riding a bike on the bumpy road, but you have to get ready for this and make your journey full of adventures. Now, always remember these 9 powerful insights that I have just mentioned from top action to down end, and make sure you are filling up the check boxes on the daily basis, because I believe once you start doing this exercise, you will find that these 9 pliable acronyms are freaking sufficient in itself to unlock a new adventure in you that moves you, that inches you forward, and where you would be in a state to say, my favorite adventure is life. My favorite adventure is life.